Replit, Bold, Cloudy. Three powerful platforms changing the way we code, write, and work with AI. But in 2025, which one really stands out? We're diving into their key features, pros and cons, and which might be best for you. And for now, let's go. First up, Replit, a cloud-based coding environment that lets you build, run, and deploy code in your browser. Whether you are a solo developer or collaborating with a team, Replit's got you covered with more than 50 languages, real-time multiplayer coding, and built-in hosting. Its secret weapon? Ghostwriter. Replit's AI that helps you code faster, debug on the fly, and even write entire functions. It's like GitHub Copilot, but fully integrated into your workspace. Pros: great for fast prototyping, strong AI-assisted coding, seamless collaboration. Cons: limited power for large-scale production apps, some lag on heavier projects. Bold overview. Next we have Bold, a newer but increasingly popular AI platform focused on writing, productivity, and creative tools. Think of Bold as your AI-powered writing assistant that combines Notion like docs with ChatGPT level responses. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and knowledge workers. You can brainstorm ideas, auto-write emails, summarize documents, or generate blog posts, all in one sleek interface. Bold is aimed more at enhancing your thinking and communication than actual coding. Pros: clean user interface, multi-purpose writing workflows, excellent for planning and content. Cons: lacks deep dev tools, not ideal for technical users. Cloudy overview. And finally, we have Cloudy by Anthropic. Cloudy is an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, but known for its safety-first approach, longer memory, and incredibly helpful reasoning abilities. Cloudy 3 Opus can process hundreds of pages of content in a single chat, ideal for research, legal review, or large project planning. It's less of a productivity tool and more of an AI thought partner. You can code with Cloudy, but it shines best in deep, nuanced conversations and problem solving. Pros: massive context window, logical and safe, great at multi-step reasoning. Cons: no native IDE, slower on creative tasks like visuals or user interface writing. Comparison and verdict. So, which is best in 2025? Well, it depends on what you need. If you are a developer, go with Replit. It's all-in-one fast, and Ghostwriter is only getting better. If you are a writer, entrepreneur, or productivity junkie, Bold is perfect. It's light, clean, and focused on helping you get stuff done. If you want an AI brainiac that handles deep questions, massive documents, and complex logic, Cloudy is your go-to. Each tool has its strength, and honestly, many power users combine all three. Now, which one are you using or thinking about trying? Drop a comment down below and let me know. And if you find this comparison helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new notifications. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.